A box and whisker plot, or a box plot, is a visual representation of the spread of data. It splits the data into 4 pieces that each contain equal amounts of data. We are going to build a box and whisker plot of this set of data. The first thing we need to do is put the data in order from smallest to biggest. Our smallest number is 6, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 18, 19, 21, 25, and 27. I always want to double check that I did not miss a number. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces of data here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces of data originally. So I did not miss anything. I'm going to copy this set of numbers so that I can start finding the median. We always build a box and whisker plot by finding medians of the data set. Remember, to find the median, I want the number in the middle. So I cross out my smallest and largest, smallest and largest, smallest, largest, smallest, largest, smallest, largest. Now, we have 2 numbers in the middle of the data set. So we add them and divide by 2 because we are finding the mean of these 2 numbers. That gives us 27 divided by 2, which is 13.5. So the median of the entire set of data, or Q2, our second quartile, is 13.5. And if you're thinking about the location of the median, because we are going to need that, it is right in between 12 and 15. That median splits the data into 2 halves. Now, we need to find the median of the lower half of the data. The lower half of the data is all of the numbers below, but not including the median. So I list out my numbers 6 through 12 because those are the numbers below the median. And I find the median of this set of numbers. Once again, I have 2 numbers in the middle, so I do 9 plus 10 divided by 2, which gives us 19 halves, or 9.5. That is what we call the lower quartile, or Q1. Next, I'm going to do the same thing with the upper half of the data. So that is all of the data to the right of, but not including the median. In this set of data, those are the numbers from 15 to 27. Once again, I find the median by finding the number in the middle. We have 2 numbers in the middle again, so we do 19 plus 21 over 2, which is 40 over 2, which gives us 20. That number is the upper quartile, or Q3. The next thing we need to find is the smallest number, or what we usually call the minimum of the data set. So if we scroll back up to where we had all of the numbers in order, the smallest number was 6. So the minimum is 6. Next, we find the largest number, or the maximum, in the data set. If we go back to where we had all of those numbers in order, the largest number, or the maximum, is 27. Those 5 numbers that we just found are the 5-number summary. So if we're asked to list them out, we would say that the minimum was 6. Our lower quartile, or Q1, if we look back up, was 9.5. Our median, or Q2, the first number that we calculated, was 13.5. Our upper quartile, or Q3, was 20, and our maximum was 27. We use these 5 numbers to make a box and whisker plot. A box and whisker plot always has to be plotted above or below a number line. So I'm going to start by drawing a number line. I need to make sure that all of these numbers, from my minimum 6 up to my maximum 27, fit. So I'm going to go from 0 to 30. I'm going to count by 5s, just to kind of spread everything out a little bit. Then what I do is plot my 5-number summary. I'm going to do it above my number line, and I'm going to label everything as I do it. So my minimum is 6, which is just a little bit past 5. My Q1 was 9.5, a little bit below 10. My median was 13.5, a little bit past the middle, between 10 and 15. My Q3, or upper quartile, was 20. And my maximum was 27. Now this is called a box and whisker plot. So what we do is connect these middle 3 dots to make a box. Draw a box from the lower quartile to the upper quartile. And we put a line straight through the median. Then we connect the minimum to the box and connect the maximum to the box to make the whiskers. Our box and whisker plot has 4 pieces. They each contain 3 pieces of data because it's equal amounts of data from our 12 data items.